Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Quick question. Smash or pass?
Smash. I can't.
Smash.
He said mash. He didn't even say the S. He said mash. Damn, we about to.
You want another pizza? I'm taking another pizza.
Yeah, you can pass me another one. All right, y'all. What's going on?
Oh shit.
What's going on, everybody? Bonne nuit et bonjour. Welcome back to my channel.
Bonne nuit and bonjour. Sorry,
If you
are all wrong.
If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family. If you watched my sister's video, Daisha, what's your channel called? We'll get back to that. If you watched her video, you'll know exactly why we're acting this way. So go watch her video. We'll leave the link in the description below. But this is my girl Daisha. She's a singer. She's dope. She dances too. Cool vibes always, of course, because that's all I surround myself with. But yeah, we back at it. It's not a mukbang. I know you'll see us chomping because we hungry and I love to eat. And we doing soul food, baby.
Can't be drinking on an empty
soul
stomach,
food, baby. Oh, you're digging what I'm saying when I'm saying it to you, baby. Okay.
Whoa! I'm digging it. I dig it.
But anyways, so what we're gonna do today is a I don't even know how you call this, but we're gonna use the app called Monkey, which is like an app where you can reach out to people on Snapchat, random people, and you have a video chat with like a random
Listen,
drinking. By the way, we are of age. Pineapple's my favorite, but mango's hers, and it's bomb.
It is.
You can't go wrong. If not, I'm gonna do a series. And stay tuned. We're about to just get into it. Did I even download the app?
I don't know. Did you?
I didn't. I have to download that. But yeah, we got buffalo chicken pizza, and we have French fries.
It's so lit.
And we got some drinks.
It's so lit.
It's so lit.
Not it's lit. It's so lit. All right.
It's so lit.
I'll tell you know it's really lit.
Oh,
don't worry, we have water just in case we need it. So we're responsible, you know. Of course, like she said, we're of age. Don't be drinking if you're under 21.
We do not promote underage drinking.
Not at all.
Period.
Unless your parents are okay. If that is the case, then drink at home.
We're not gonna get that deep. We're not gonna do that.
Drink at home responsibly with your parents' kids. Thanks.
Oh crap. Okay, yeah, let's put that in. Okay, Monkey's doing the most.
Wait, what didn't we do this last time? And they was like, yeah, I got the
What are we asking them? Smash or pass? Would you smash or pass us?
Yeah. Shit.
This is gonna be awkward. Ooh. Okay, I'm a girl.
Novocaine is what I'm gonna be on when I get these wisdom teeth pulled out.
Oh, that's exciting.
They're gonna sedate me.
That sounds awful.
I know it does, but like I don't want to be awake for when they take it out. I want to be knocked out. So add that in your video if you'd like. It's okay. Like it.
All right, so like
many girls, monkeys, but many people we want to. Okay, I agree.
I
didn't even read the whole thing.
What are we doing?
We accept.
Oh, that's not weird.
Quick
question.
We had a question for you.
Smash or pass? What did he say?
He didn't even say it.
He said, I heard,
He said,
I don't know what he said. Okay, whatever. Go to the next person.
Accept. Hey,
Quick question,
hi.
What's up with y'all?
We chilling. Quick question. Smash or pass?
Damn, I smashed both of y'all. No count. That's not a question.
That's not a question. He had a little accent on him.
Oh, I wonder where he was from. Oh,
little boy had an accent on him. Kentucky. Kentucky. What is happening?
Hey.
It's my thing. I got it. It's like Kanye. It's like,
Why he start with that? Quick question. Smash or pass?
smash.
Oh yeah.
Which one though?
He's like, what?
What? Okay.
What? 23 from Illinois. All these random places. Like who?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. I can't see anything. Alright, I don't like that. Alright, if you can see us, quick question. Smash or pass? The fuck? It was not dark. Bananas technically are berries? What?
That's cool.
I ain't never known that.
Me either.
Delaware.
Delaware? What?
What? Come on now. Just random people. Hello.
Hi.
Can we ask y'all a question?
We'll answer a question. What's up?
Smash or pass both of us?
Huh?
Smash or pass both of us?
Smash.
Pass and smash? Damn. It's a pass.
Pass.
Damn, it's okay. It's alright.
Hey, can I be up in this band with you? And we gonna be doing some hype.
What?
Goddamn, you doing a lot.
How old are y'all?
He's like 5.
How old are you?
He don't even know what he's saying.
What?
He said, "Y'all need to take me down." Nigga, what? I can't. Who be on this stuff? Hello?
Hello? Oh, you on a tour bus? That's cool.
How do you know where he's
Red light special.
at? Time.
You know the time is down there.
No, it shows you up at the top.
Yeah, but the time is at the bottom. To like add more.
Oh, my foot's falling asleep. You accept that? Hello? Hello?
Child, how it's doing?
What?
Excuse me?
Boy, bye. How you end?
I said, what y'all supposed to do?
Nope, bye. He tried it. He was like, no, no, it doesn't. No.
With y'all? No.
He tried it. Bye. Period. That's it. He's confused.
Next.
Obviously confused.
Remember that show Next on MTV?
Oh, I do. That's funny. He said, no, I wouldn't know what I meant. Shut up.
You.
What y'all hoes doing?
Fact! I know.
Who starts a conversation like that? Dang, what's wrong with y'all on this app?
Listen, we need some better trained boys, some men. Like, I know y'all was raised right. Come on.
Somewhere. Oh my gosh, my foot's really falling asleep.
Wake it up. Is this still recording?
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi.
Quick question, smash or pass?
You said what?
Smash or pass, both of us.
Oh, we smashed. Outside.
He's cute.
They be forgetting to put the timer on. They be mad as
He
they
be
probably
mad
mad.
happy. He was happy too. He was like off top.
Off top.
That's cute.
That's crazy. It's probably not even recorded.
Oh, it's not. That's annoying. Hold up. How you do it?
How you do what?
Quick question.
Go ahead.
Smash or pass? Smash or pass?
Aww.
He just wanted to follow.
I be forgetting to accept the calls. Come on. Why can't they just automatically accept the calls?
I'm saying.
This has been really funny, actually.
What's good?
Hey, quick question.
What's y'all?
Smash or pass? Smash or pass? Oh, for real? That's crazy. What you smoking on?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
But how old is y'all?
Guess.
We look, yeah.
You look like both of y'all look like y'all twins, but y'all look like y'all about like
Why we keep getting
18.
18.
Oh, thank you. You know that black magic. Okay.
Yes, black girl magic. That's that black girl magic.
Hey, Shorty in the striped shirt look older.
How old do I look?
She could be like,
hell no, Shorty in black shirt look.
you look like you'd be about 40. Hey, how old
You look brown as hell. You look but how old do I look?
Like 20, 23, 24.
Yeah.
Okay, my turn.
My turn.
I like this game. I like this game.
You look like you 23 too.
That's a fact. I give him like 22.
I'm about there for real.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, time's running out.
Huh?
He said, huh? Okay. He said, huh?
Oh, it's a three-way.
Oh, hey.
Hey, I want to have a 3 minutes.
Okay, that answers our question. Who's gonna ask smash or pass?
Smash. Oh, top.
Time's running out.
He answered the question before we even got there.
Facts,
Like,
yo.
dang, he was here and ready, hot and ready. Little Caesars.
Shout out to Cardi B.
That's so funny.
Listen, if y'all don't get this app, it's funny.
It really is.
Make sure you're tipsy though.
Rule number 1.
If you're over the age of 21.
Oh, I keep forgetting to accept. We forgetting to accept the calls.
Except.
I know. I need to record too. I hope we recorded that last one.
I know, right? Hi.
Yo,
Smash or
y'all
pass?
be slapping. What you said?
Smash or pass?
Smash both of y'all. Word about brother. Let me get you that.
What was he saying?
He said,
They probably mad because of time.
Yeah.
Y'all,
Oh,
hi.
Hey, how you doing, Shorty?
Quick
Oh.
question: smash or pass?
Ooh, I can't pass. At time,
You had time.
I did.
Oh, I tried. He was cute.
He probably mad.
Yep. He's like, oh,
Damn.
Let's see Kenyon. Kenyon? Is that how you say that?
Ken? I don't know. I didn't
miss
see
it.
it.
I'm
I'm not
gonna
even
add
looking
these
at names.
Yo, what's poppin'?
What y'all up to? Smash or pass?
Nothing. What y'all do?
Smash or pass?
Both of you?
Yeah.
Smash all day.
Eh. She said 3 times. That's like a 4
That's
time.
facts.
Yeah, 30 times. She like 16. Girl, go do some homework.
Yo, you better add time.
Add time.
Add time.
Take my number down. You.
Smash or pass?
Smash or pass? Smash or pass?
Hold on. I know my Bluetooth ain't connected. What the fuck? Off your phone. Bruh, y'all can take your phone.
Can you answer our question?
They're fighting over the
Smash or pass? Both of us.
Smash or pass? Smash or pass?
Listen, can you listen to us? Okay, I'm gonna take the number of whoever answers my question.
I'm gonna take the numbers of whoever answers my question.
Smash or pass?
Smash or pass? Smash or pass?
Alright, y'all. What was that?
They got too excited.
What the heck?
They said, "Oh, we got some cute girl." Ooh.
Hey, honey. Smash or pass?
Pretty.
Thank you. Smash or pass? Both of us.
That's I mean, peace.
Huh?
He said peace. Because his time was gonna
He
end.
said pretty girl.
He was probably gay, so
You think so?
He not into us anyway.
He not into us anyway. That was funny. They was doing a lot.
They was fighting over the screen.
He was like, give me the phone. Oh, we missed that one. It's crazy.
I hope these are all saved.
I know. I hope that last one was saved.
Facts.
Why are you being dumb? People are being slow right now, y'all. I'm sorry. I cannot. Why are people being dumb? What the hell?
Oh, he's kind of cute though. Ooh. You in the studio?
Look at him rapping. Okay, listen, honey. Add time.
Smash or pass?
Add time. Smash.
I gotta go. I followed you.
All right.
Okay.
We'll see you. We ain't gonna see him. Hey, brother bear.
Who's baby?
She probably sleeping in the laundry. Kinda cute.
What's up with y'all?
Smash or pass?
I want to be up at that. Hey, no, serious. You from this phone? In your real eyes.
Thank you. What?
Oh,
That was a lot.
I won't be your
I won't
baby
be
daddy.
daddy. Like, honey, no, never. That's not happening. Hi, honey.
What's that?
Smash or pass?
Where are you from?
Smash or pass?
What?
Smash or pass?
Smash. I think.
Smash.
He said mash. He didn't even say the S. He said mash. Mash. Oh my gosh. Dang. You gotta make sure we record him.
Oh, you're right. I can't see.
All these extra buttons. Add time.
Add time. Okay, never mind.
Dang, we be missing videos. We're new to this. Give us a break.
I hope it's saving though. Cause what if it's not saving?
Some of them won't be. Hey, honey.
Hi.
Smash or pass? Straight like that. Smash or pass?
That's fine. I can't hear you.
Smash or pass? Both of
Oh, I'll
us.
smash the fuck out of both of y'all.
Wow.
Damn.
That was kind of
Oh,
impressive.
hell yeah. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I'm
Yeah?
gonna make y'all mine tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, for real?
Oh, easy. Come
Easy.
here.
Oh, easy. Nah, we don't do that. He said easy. Never. It was never easy. He said he eating.
What's up?
Smash or pass? Smash or pass?
Who you want?
Both. What? He said no.
Oh, I need to quiet down.
All the people we just talked to
Ain't got no
not
footage.
recorded. Not recorded at all.
Damn, yo.
Because my phone is slow and stupid and I need to get a new one.
We're gonna hope mine can do something.
We gonna hurt.
We
hope
might
mine's
have to
work
like
a little
stop
better
it after like each one just so that we can actually get it.
to make sure, yeah.
So let's
But we gonna get right back into this.
let's start.
That's crazy. I'm gonna still show what I can, just off of like what they were saying because some of them was crazy. All these extra things.
What up?
Oh, what's going on? Smash or pass?
Holy shit.
Smash or pass?
Smash. On who? At time.
Both.
At time. Oh, just in time. Well, I can't see the other girl. Let's. Oh, hang on. Let me. All right. If I answer, you gotta answer too.
Okay.
I'll probably smash. I'd smash. I'd smash.
Yeah?
Yeah. For sure.
I'd pass both.
Pass.
Cause I'm white.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oh, I should. That's mean. Is that mean? Aw, that's mean. Oh, that's not why. He just looked like, I don't know, like he was uneducated. That's what it was. Dang. Y'all gonna judge me?
Oh, what's up?
What's going on? How old are you?
No, me?
Yeah.
He's 17 and I'm 19.
Aw, y'all babies. Have a
Wait,
good
what?
night.
Oh.
I said, oh, hold on, I'll be back.
They should have left me by myself. This is awkward by myself.
What you doing?
How old are you, honey?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 17. How old are you?
I'm 23.
You 20? At time. Follow
I
me.
can't. These babies, y'all. I really wish y'all could see this, but these phones is being dumb. We only got one recorded. It's being real dumb. I don't know why. Let's see if we can get this one.
What's up?
What's going on with you? I have a question for you. Smash or pass?
Time. Go around. Hey, put this in the ashtray.
Smash or pass?
That's my pass.
You gonna pass?
No, what you had to ask?
Huh?
What you had to ask me?
I said smash or pass.
Smash! Boy, you know you get fucked on.
Thank you.
No.
No?
No. I had to find some shit out with you, bro. We smashed and passed already. Damn, bro. All you had to be back some niggas later. Alright.
I don't know what that man just said.
Sorry to this man.
Alright, y'all. So that was that. Of course, I didn't get that one freaking recorded either. But, you know, it's been a long night. Dash is here. She's feeling it for real. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off. Next time we do it, I'm definitely gonna try and make sure the recordings are much better because phones was acting up, my phone and hers, for whatever reason. It's stupid, but whatever. So yeah, that was that. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Let us know down below if you want to be a part of our Smash or Pass, and if you want more information on our Snapchats, we'll leave that too. So just go ahead and let us know. She's not feeling good. If you want to know why, go ahead and watch her video. But I gotta tip to my baby girl. Y'all have a good night, you hear?